Hello Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. Welcome to my place. Assistal speaks messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Namaste. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Assistals running. This is going to be timeless reading. So whenever is your time, like the date is there and then you follow up. Okay. And we are going to start from here. I'm going to do the reading as in like universal bridge kind of. I used to do it prior, kind of like just for a change. Okay, so this is all about what is there between you and the person, like universal bridge. Okay, you know, they know, or you both feel kind of. And then here your card or their card, you choose the side and what is the anchor, which is blockage, and where it is heading. Okay, and may take out like as an energy from one card. Okay, so let's see. First of all, the intuitive message that is coming for you is that there is someone who is doing like taking the glass and just not, there's water, whatever there is, those are emotions connected with you, and someone is doing like this. So it's like someone is pouring it out. Okay, so maybe this is a disagreeable situation regarding some kind of emotional connection here, or some talk here. Okay, emotional ambience here. Let's see. Yeah, okay. It is someone who might be telling you that it is just this is what you feel, this is what is, this is what you are doing with my love, or the love that I hold for you. It's like you're denying it. You might not be claiming something, or the person might not be claiming, and this is connected with like just one penny kind of energy. Okay, so I'm going to cut the deck and then let's see. I'm going to cut the deck in 4. Okay, so your overall energy is about that you really want this to work, but the problem is someone who is not claiming it or is not sure, or maybe someone who is seeking assurance is the problem here. Okay, now your bottom energy is a 9 of dragonflies, and over here 9 of dragonflies is about 9 of cups energy. So they want it or you want it, but somehow some problem is there. Let's see your universal bridge. Okay, this was at the bottom when we started the reading. Okay, and this is about, okay, I'm hearing the word eagle. I don't know why. So maybe this is connected with the energy of somehow someone who is looking everything from the top, and this is not the usual connection. Everyone in your relationship, like you, them, and other people, they know where it is heading and what it is all about. For many of you, this is about stamping or registration, work related situation. Okay, I'm also hearing when I said eagle, so this might be the connection of like something that is about to come or enter in your life, and it is going to be huge. Okay, with this I'm also hearing like Aquarius is here, so maybe some of you are dealing with an Aquarius, but somehow it is about, again, this is written one penny kind of energy. Okay, this is about stamps and all that, registration. Again, this may be something connected with vintage love area. Okay, but this is the Empress, someone who owns something. Okay, now you, both of your connection is quite old, or let's say vintage, something that was done traditionally in this connection, and that's why the consistency is important. So both of your connection is about, some of you might be mother to their child, some of you might be father to their child, however this fits you, male, female, wife. The connection is about Empress. The connection is about sustaining and making it together, or let's just say not having something, let's say, collected. Okay, this is something that someone is still organizing, wanting to organize, and the Empress is the vibe of like fertility. And I'm also hearing the word convincing. Okay, let's see, you choose the side where you fall. First I'm going to take this side. So who, see what you have, death. Okay, someone is having that fear or nervousness, or even they're scared that this is going to this is what I'm going to lose out. Okay, now the Empress is like someone does want to make it work, especially with 9 of cups energy. But with the death, there may be a Scorpio you're dealing, and it is also the energy of like what is coming. That's what I talked about. Like the crow is having the conversation with eagle. Okay, so something might not be reachable here, or something that might not be in the position of claiming. Like it is not even denial totally, but someone who is not giving someone assurance, if that makes sense. You have looked major cards. Okay, so something is not dying, but something is still here and changing. So like the season is changing or the formation is changing, the way someone, you know, tilted the cup or the glass here, which means that you might be dealing with a Scorpio, one of the water sign, or Cancer, Pisces as well. However, there is some fear and anxiety of like someone who is changing. Okay, now I feel like if this is this person, whatever the situation between you both, okay, they want to talk about. I also feel like if someone is having that problem of like this is ending, which might not be, because the zone here and this is having higher capacity, which is of the Empress. This Ace of Bees is Ace of Swords energy. Okay, if you want to look at it, this is a time problem. I feel like someone is unable to follow, but is important. So there's a breakthrough. I feel like someone does want to not neglect anything. They want to talk about it. They want to clear out this fear or anxiety or whatever that is. Okay, this is how you both are looking at this Empress connection. Both of your thought or universe blessing is this. Okay, but this is about that we need to talk to settle things. Okay, don't think anything else of like ending or something. You might be feeling, if you are feeling, that this is the end, because this is about possible change of the skin. Let's see the anchor or the blockage. You have 5 of Cups energy. Okay, again, someone who is not claiming or not approving or assurance problem or feeling sad or dissatisfied, because 5 of Cups is, yes, disappointment, and the anchor is all about people need to clear out the sadness. Okay, no matter if we have this, someone is feeling like it's over. Okay, or someone is feeling like they don't understand me. That's why there are stitches in the heart. Look at the card, and if you see this glass, it's like upside down, which is about, I said, the way like this. So this is like your overall energy or the situation. Okay, now this may be because of work, maintaining something. This may be about fame. This may be someone who is very, very famous. This is something that we need to talk, we need to clarify. This may be something, a connection which is going in this disappointment phase, because someone is building up something here, unable to talk, but this is breakthrough. Okay, they want to initiate. I feel like initiation is also coming. Okay, someone is busy as bee, and that might be giving the energy of like I'm waiting for the reply, and someone is sending the message which might not be happening, but the problem or the solution is here, that the Empress. Very important connection, I'm telling you that, where this is heading. You are having 5 of Moths, and 5 of Moth here is 5 of Wands energy. Clash of opinion, something that is not going to be approved or assured, like assurance is a problem, as I said. So there is this problem. What is with this Empress? Okay, now this is, I said so, long time connection, very fertile, going on and on and on. It's not that easy to chuck this out. Okay, and no one does want to chuck that out, but the problem is the changes are happening. With this Empress, someone is tired here. The Empress is tired. Okay, showing that same face again and again of like smile. They just are pretending possible something. And it is also something connected with the registration. Maybe you both work together. Maybe this is about common business possible. If this is not the case, 10 of Moths, 10 of Wands is someone who is tired. I'm telling you that. So they might not be ready to drag it. However, this is the energy of like, yes, we are sustaining something. We are still going on with that. Okay. Let me see. What is beyond 5 of Moths? Okay. For many of you, there's going to be completion. You have the World card. There's certain indication that is heading after this. Okay. So I feel like this is going to be settled. And with the World, there's going to be completion, closing of the chapter here for many of you. Okay. So maybe one person is thinking about ending it, or like they know that this is time of transition. Because the anchor is disappointment in relationships, and when there is no emotional fulfillment, and the one who should initiate, they are not initiating, or at least there should be breakthrough here, clarification. That's why someone is no longer going to drag it. Okay, but I feel like many of the energies are pretending zone. Why? Because they might feel like I'm like this, I'm like that, they should do it. Kind of energy is a contradiction, like a chaotic situation versus. Okay, these readings are meant to take you out from problems and where they are heading. Now here the World, some of you or many of you will end this, whatever the chaotic situation is, disagreement is, in anything, okay, in anything, because many of you are going to do this like register, okay. Let me see from this deck what is being shown from the universe and the spirit world, as we say. What is the message? This is also someone who is very you know on a deep level, focusing like from a magnifying glass, okay. What is message for love or other things? Man holding a coin. Okay, so maybe this is all happening because of this one man especially, or as in go female vibe, but I feel let's stick to this man holding a coin. This may be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. If that is not the case, this is both of your work is important, okay. Now both of your work is important. Maybe the clash that is creating upset situations, or emotional problem, or time is a problem definitely here, because I see as in the Ace of these. Okay, someone is jealous of someone's work as well. I don't know why this is happening, but it is happening. Man holding a coin. There may be someone from the spirit world. They are trying to say that they are sending someone in your life. When this is going to close, if you people are waiting for some love, and this is something that you can do anything for this, okay, and someone is no longer going to drag and no longer going to fight or quarrel. There's a man holding a coin. Someone might be of help to you, or they might enter in your life in the coming time. I do feel that you can see even the features if it is pertaining with you, because this is what is going to come in your life in the future. When there's going to be clarification, when there's going to be no fight, when there's going to be stretching of the horizon like world, you're going to meet someone, okay. Okay, for many of you there's going to be some important decision regarding property, again registration, stamping and everything. So you may be the one holding this as an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius male vibe. You're going to deal in something, okay, or with someone you're going to deal, and it is about money coming here for many of you. It's going to be a big amount of money, okay, and it's not just something of a something, okay, like that, how to say you, like you have that stamping and all that of small money, tiny money. The stamping is of tiny money, but the money that will come from that is going to be huge. Take care guys, I love you, see you soon, bye.